on. Trying to find life's moments here.
Kalia, what are you doing?
Oh, hi.
Hey guys, this is our daughter Kalia. She turned 21 yesterday, so we decided to take her out on her first run. We were going to do Hale Creek, but apparently it's going to be quite busy there, so we decided to do something else. Another first for us today is we have a few people joining us from our Finding Life's Moments Facebook page. We hope you enjoy this video and stick around for the ride.
Mic check.
Infinity. You know the roof on fire. We go boogie.
All right, boys, here we go.
Wiggle and dance like the roof on fire. We go drink drinks and take shots until we fall out like the roof on fire. Now, baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes and light the roof on fire. Tell her, baby, 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 I'm on fire. I tell her, baby, 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 I'm on fire.
They even put a sign out for the pizza party. Brian, I'm thinking this time we'll cross the bridge and go in that way. I know you can get in there also, just because I don't know how high the runoff water will be for that other section.
How was the night?
It was really good.
Cold?
A little bit, yeah.
And windy, obviously. There's firewood already here, ready to go. So we made it to our destination. It is a little bit windy, and we ran into overland overspenders. Just having a little chat with them, and we'll decide what we're going to do next. Get a fire going, get some hot dogs going. Turned out to be a pretty nice day. We did see a little bit of rain coming in, but nothing like they were predicting. This is the spot.
Made it.
That's a nice fire pit. Oh, you did bring your kindling. Look at this massive fire pit.
We got a big one going. Yeah, while you're over there, we just put this together.
You guys are brilliant. Nice work.
Can't take credit. It was the ones who came before.
take credit.
I'm trying. Oh, delicious though. You're an amazing cook, man. Amazing. Where did you go? I don't even see it. Follow Bobby.
hope you enjoyed this. We had a great time taking our daughter out for her first time for her 21st birthday. We took a few people off our Facebook page. Had a great time. Hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, we hope you get out there, enjoy life, and find your moments. Thanks for watching. And until next time, we hope you get out there.
Ow!
Cut!